Today, we are going to learn about double-digit addition with regrouping. Our learning goal is we are learning to regroup the ones into the tens column when we add double digits. Our success criteria is I know that when there are 10 or more ones all together, I must regroup them to the tens column. I can show regrouping in the question using numbers, and I can also show regrouping using 10 blocks. So here's our question, 25 plus 57. So I need to show 25 using 10 blocks. So I know that there are 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 tens, 1, 2. And when I show 57, I know that there are 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I need to look at my ones column. Do I have more than 9 ones to make a 10? Right, we've used 10 frames before, so we know that if a 10 frame is full, then we have 10. So I'm going to take those 10 and I'm going to regroup them to the tens column. So I'm taking 10 ones and I'm making them into a 10 because it doesn't make sense to keep 10 ones when we can just make one 10. So I've regrouped that to the tens. So to show in my question in the numbers that I added an extra 10, I need to take this and put the 110 up on top of the tens column. So now when I count how many ones I have left, I have 1, 2 ones left. And when I count how many tens do I have now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 82. Our next question is 16 plus 29. So I need to show 16. So I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 10. And in 29, I have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 tens. 1, 2. So now I need to look at my ones. Do I have 10, a group of 10 ones? Yes. The top is filled. That shows us a 10 frame is filled, so we know we have 10. We don't keep 10 ones. We regroup that into the tens. Then we take this and we show it in our numbers. So we know that we added 110. So how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And how many tens do we have now that we regrouped? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 45. Here's our last example, 84 plus 6. So when we look at 84, we have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 6, we have 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are no tens, so we don't have to add any tens for that. So let's see, do we have a group of 10 ones? That's right, we do. So we need to take those and we need to regroup them into one group of 10. And remember, we need to show that there is one more 10, so we write out a number 1 over the tens column. So now, how many ones do we have? Right, we have 0. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that 4 plus 6 is 10. So we put the 0 under 4 and 6, and we regrouped the 10. So we put that over 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, please watch the second video. I will explain exactly what you are going to do in your Google Slides.